In honors and AP biology, we do a lab activity called DNA gel electrophoresis, where we separate DNA using electricity. My students do two separate labs, one studying genetics, where they separate gels to look at if a parent passes on a dominant or a recessive gene to their offspring. We also use the same technology in forensic science because every human has a unique DNA fingerprint where they create different bands when you separate the DNA of the bands from the family.
In addition to Mr. Hardey just being one of the coolest science nerds in the world, he's also doing something really neat for his students by taking his AP Bio students, and with this DNA learning that they're doing in their classes, he's going to take them into our foundation schools, into the 7th and 8th grade classes, and do a little forensic lab with the 7th and 8th graders who will soon be Delaware Golden Eagles.
With the feeder schools, we're going to set up the same equipment, but we're going to have the crime scene DNA, and then suspect 1, suspect 2, suspect 3, right? With our feeder school programs, we'd like to bring the lab equipment to our 7th grade elementary classrooms and show them how electrophoresis works. And what we'd like to do with them is a simulation where somebody broke into the Chromebook cart and we found some crime scene DNA at the site, and then we'll nominate a few of the middle school teachers to be the potential suspects. And so my students will be teaching the 7th graders the science behind gel electrophoresis, and they'll do a forensics lab.
In order to go and do these labs, he has to buy DNA kits, and so he's looking to raise about $1,100 to be able to do this at all of the feeder school programs, and there's a way you can donate some money to that project. I normally have like a little blooper at the end, and you're just too good. You're too good. So I'd like you to simply say toy boat several times. I'm just teasing.